Can you get funding for a government contract before or after you win? Short answer, yes. Shout out to Jawan, 3 proposals in a week, and a contracting officer kept engaging after close. Family, that's a green flag. Lane 1 is pre-award. Get fundable before the email hits. Think working capital you can tap.
Lane 2 is post-award mobilization cash. With an award or PO in hand, doors open.
Lane 3 is after you invoice. You don't have to wait 30, 60, 90 days. Factor the invoice to get most of it up front. Here's the part most folks skip. Documentation wins money. Put everything in one funding folder. Ready for the first call? Keep it simple. You've got an active contract, you're seeking financing, and you can provide the award.
I hope this helps. Keep working your plan and stacking your wins. I'll see you in the next video.